So I'm gonna show this little lady how to stop shower head from leaking. She says it's impossible. So we're gonna take a little something that she doesn't understand what it is, called what they call sealant tape. Some people call it plumber's tape. That's what I've known as, plumber tape. And stop this leak. Both of them leaking, even though there's a washer in it, and even though it's been tightened completely with pliers. So here's before, and we'll be back. So the best tool for this is adjustable pliers. So depending on what exactly you're doing, but because everybody's pipe is not necessarily the same size, so it's good to use this because it adjusts to however wide or narrow you need it to be. All right, now we're gonna get this shower head off. All right, so once you get it loose or almost loose, you want to move back, because especially if you had the water on recently, because more than likely water is going to come out and you don't want your clothes or hair to get wet. Okay, so good. See, this one is empty. All right, try to sit this down. All right, hand me the plumber's tape. Look right there underneath the tools. Okay, open it up. So I'm gonna let her open. Just look on the back. Should be some little lines on the back. And pop it open.
Where is it?
I felt the lines, like the little. Let me see. It felt something. Okay, well just pop it open. However you can. Go ahead. Use your little nails. I'm gonna show you how you do it. Hurry up, stick your finger in it. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Now, hand it to me. Push the blue part out of the white part. All right, hand it to me. All right, this is what plumber's tape look like. This is probably what plumbers do when you ask them to fix a leak. This is all it is. It's like some white tape that comes on a roll like this. It was literally less than $1 at Walmart. Even nowadays, it was only 97 cents. So like about $1 and a couple cents with tax. So I'm gonna start by finding the end of the plumber's tape. So it kind of feels like really soft. I can't explain it, but it's really soft, right? You start pulling it off like that. And then what you're gonna do is take it. Sharyia, watch. Okay. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna do exactly what I'm doing, which is wrap it around. Hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna try. Matter of fact, we'll be right back. But this is how you start it, and I'll be right back. So now it's been wrapped. Try not to block it, but try to do it kind of tight. You can still see like the tread of where it screws on. So also, because I think the leak is coming from two places, because it's a two-part shower head. See, it's already plumber's tape here. So we can see that the leak is not coming from there because this is not even, it's no water, it's not wet. So this part is not actually leaking. So I double checked to make sure that they did have plumber's tape on it, and it does already. So it's only that part that's leaking. So now I'm gonna put the shower head back on and see if we stopped all the leaks or not. Okay, so the main thing is always remember righty tighty, lefty loosey, meaning turn right to tighten, left to loosen. So I'm turning by hand as tight as I can get. And a lot of times you will need a set of pliers to finish tightening it completely. So like now it's not turning anymore. Give me the pliers, Sharyia.
Pliers.
Okay. All right. Now put it. Make sure on. So just put it back on this. Adjust it if need be. Key is to hold it as tight as possible and still turn to the right. It makes some weird sounds because it has like teeth to grip. Turn to the right. Okay, it's no longer moving. Make it brain to tighten them up later. But for now,
It should be good.
All right, so let's see if we stop the leak. Sharyia said this is impossible. Let's check.
Here's the phone.
All right. So let's check. Turn the water on. The moment of truth. Shower head part up. All right. Zoom in. Let's see. And we stopped the leak.
Oh.
Cool. So see, water's coming through. No leaks. Awesome. So, what'd you learn?
I learned that you can't fix the leak.
Just gotta know the right tools. Right tools,
Yeah.
right supplies. That's it.